is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily withdraw money from your Fidelity account. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily withdraw money from your Fidelity account. Log into your Fidelity account. You can visit www.fidelity.com on your webpage, then click on the login button in the upper right corner. Just enter your username and password, then click on Login. Next is go to Accounts and Trade. On the main dashboard, hover over or click Accounts and Trade in the top menu. Select Transfers or Transfer Money from the drop-down. This opens the transfer setup where you can move money from your Fidelity account to your bank. Next is select Accounts for Transfer. From select your Fidelity brokerage or retirement account to select your linked bank account. If no bank account is linked, click Add a bank account and follow the prompts. Next is just enter the amount you wish to withdraw, then choose the transfer date if it's immediate or scheduled, and review your transfer. Lastly, just confirm the transfer. Review all the details carefully and click Submit to confirm. You'll then get a confirmation number and estimated transfer date. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!